I'm joined by Andy here, who's in charge of turning here for ISCAR UK. We're going to be talking about what's going on next week. It's an open house, Andy. What products are we going to see from your portfolio?
You'll see a few products from us, but the main one, if I pick it up here, is going to be the Tang Grip. Traditional version here, what we call a TGFH type blade with a scallop. And we are going to change that. We're going to do a little bit with what we call a flat top system, which is the second version. And what we'll also have for you to see is the latest addition to the range, a new method of holding the insert to give us a much stronger product, a much more stable product.
When we look at this blade, is it fair to say it's more rigid rather?
Absolutely. What we find with parting off is you can't go wider to strengthen the blade, you can only go deeper. So we do a variety of sizes. We start at 26, we actually go up to 53, and our largest is 100 millimeters deep. The deeper we go, the more rigid and the stronger the tool becomes.
And like you say, you've got something you can't show us today, something that's going to be released next week. It's what are the dates?
It's 16th and 17th next week, Wednesday and Thursday. Come along, see what we've got. You'll be impressed.
There we are. If you want to see more innovation from the guys here at ISCAR, be sure to tune in to MTD on the 16th and 17th of October if you haven't registered.